Hi everyone, welcome to my hobby electronics channel. So in today's video, we will be learning how to control a bar graph LED with the help of the Arduino Uno microcontroller. So the various components that you need for performing this is the Arduino Uno PLC board, one breadboard, uh, one USB cable to supply the power, then 11-piece jumper cables for the connections, one LED bar graph, so which has 20 pins, 1 to 10 on the left side and then 11 to 20 on the right, and then 10 piece of 220 ohms resistor to control the power, the current and the voltages. Okay. So here is the pin configuration for the bar graph LED, which has 1 to 10 on the left side and then 11 to 20 on the right side, and it has 10 LED bulbs. So as you know, the LED connections work like the current flows from the positive to the negative terminal, and hence the LED light glows up. So 1 is connected to 20, 2 to 19, and so on. So this is the pin configuration. Now let's come to the main circuit of this connection. The circuit goes like this. We have this breadboard connected here, and in the breadboard we'll have this LED graph placed at the center with 10 pins of the digital IO pins from the Arduino board will be used. So we are uh, planning to use 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 10 ports will be used, and they will be connected to the pins 1 to 10 of the LED bar graph. The remaining pins 11 to 20 will be connected via the resistor directly in the series into the ground terminal. The ground will be connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board. So similarly, if you see the schematic over here on the left side, pins D3 through to D12 are connected to pins 1 to 10 of the LED bar graph, and the remaining like 11 to 20 pins are connected via the resistor to the ground. So simple circuit. Now we'll come to the sketch, the program of it. So the initialization of the program goes like this. There is a collection of these 10 pins, which is this an array of all the pins from 3 to 12. So in the initial setup program, we will be just assigning these 10 pins as the output pin of the Arduino board. In the main loop function, we'll loop through all these 10 pins and we'll call the common function bar graph display by passing the parameter from this for loop, which will in turn turn on the LEDs with the help of the digital write function, and the parameter will be passed over here. The high means the LED will be on, and then the low means the LED will be off. And there's a delay of 500 millisecond, which is roughly half second, to capture this thing, and you can visibly see on the actual programming, the microcontroller. Okay, and so we will now see the actual programming over here. So if you see, we are using this microcontroller piece, which is the Arduino board. I'll turn on the light for the ease of visibility. And if you see over here, the various pins, the pin configurations are mentioned here from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the ground connection is done into the breadboard directly. So these 10, the digital IO pins are connected to the breadboard, to the 10 this LED bar graph pins. And from the remaining terminals, we have this 10 resistors connected to the ground terminal. From the ground, which is this white wire, the ground is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board. So this is what the connection is. So we'll be using this USB cable to connect to my program. Okay, I have connecting to the program now. Okay, and we'll just run this board. So as soon as I compile this program, you can see the compilation is done, and I'm just uploading this thing, okay, into the microcontroller. So as soon as it is uploaded, it will see the transaction on the receiving thing is happening. Then the LED bar graph has started to glow. So this is currently running at an interval of like 5 seconds. So there is some loose connection, I think, due to which the first one, yes, now it's working fine. See this? Okay, so this is now working. Now what I will do is I'll change the connection a bit and make this a bit faster, say 200 millisecond. I'll then recompile the program once again. So as you see here, the program is getting recompiled with the change in the code, and I have put the delay as 200 milliseconds. So the current speed which you can see now will be faster. So I want to upload this program. Okay, as soon as I have uploaded it, the transaction and the reception happens over here in this node. Just watch out over here. Okay, and now the speed of the LED glows have now increased to 200 milliseconds. So it's much faster now. Okay, so this is how we can program the board. So let me turn off the LED. Okay, so this is how we can program a bar graph LED with the help of an Arduino, the programmable logic controller. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.